since I'm sat on the floor, I thought I'd give you a proper tour of the inside of a washing machine. Got a better thing. As you can see, there's 3 rows of holes there, 1, 2, 3, into the centre of the drum. When you look out for those, it means the water level will go a bit higher. So I've always looked out for the more the holes going up to the centre of the drum, the higher the water level. And also in here, you see a hole. I don't know if you can see it. I think you might be able to if I can't get to it properly. No, you can't really see it, but there is a hole, one hole in there. So yeah, I always look at, you can see this perforations in the drum. I think that's how you see it. So there's the paddle. That's the spider there. That holds the drum in place at the back, I think.